Welcome back. We're playing Beltmatic again because um, it's a lot of fun. I'm not sure it's very entertaining to watch, but you last time, last time we left off, we just built this 885 machine. So we're working on 6 belts. 6 belts is a huge advancement for um, for your party for, for your machines because each side of the source block is 6, and so you could potentially make 4 machines with 6 belts going in, and that means 4 numbers at a time. Right now, we're making 3, and I will tell you that every single time that I play the game, I have never ever made 5 belt machines this early in the game. This is really a testament to late game strategies, building machines that have 5 blocks, and now we have 6 belts. Sorry, 5 belts. So really, what we want to do is we want to tear all of this down. Oh, here's some math from last time. I mean, these are, you know, I zoomed out in a couple other videos, and these machines are getting very different. They remind me of like spaceships in certain future. Um, so just really quick, I wanted to do a breakdown of how we made 885, which we're not going to tear down. We got perfect rates of 30. Oh, 35? How is that possible? Oh, we've got bubbles in these. So 7 times 5 is 35. 7 rate of 7 per second and 5 belts. What's interesting is the bubbles here are happening because the multiplier is slow. So if you see the last one light up on a long train of machines, it means that um, you're not getting your maximum rate. So we're getting the last one's lighting up on all of these series of blues, but the greens are stopping right about here. You see how their backtrack the twos are saturated, but here um, they're lighting up. Back here, they're saturated on both sides, and saturated on both sides means that they're not coming out at the same rate they're going in. Saturated having a gap here means that it's pulling them in as fast as they're coming in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just saw that one light up. All I do is have to multiply 12 times 7. Ooh, and I would get 84. And then you can figure out, you divide by half. Actually, it's right there. The adder and the multiplier are at the same rate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's stopping at 12, but here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. So I guess it's sometimes hitting the 13. Um, the way I figure it out is 7 divided by 0.5, which is um, the same as multiplying by 2, so it's 14. So we need 14 in a row to guarantee maximum pressure coming out of the system. With all that said, these are saturated from before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I actually expanded these, so I was anticipating this and built this machine for the future. So we could tear down anything in this position. 704 and 3906s. 3906s, we'll keep them around. So we'll tear down 704. And by tear down, I mean We'll stop them coming in, and then we will retain some of this. Let's see how much I can copy. I can copy the whole thing. We'll save it for reference and yada other stuff. Okay. Choosing the next. Let's see. We're at the 5 minute mark, so we're good. I'd really like to see my adders. We just boosted belts. We got a big boost on. I really want to try that 8-6. That'll be the last number. So let's do 3 numbers this stream. 802 in this order. We'll go lowest to highest. 412. So to do 412, I would say, um, just my own method. 412 square root is 20. So 20, you figure out 20 times 21 is actually 420. So 20 squared is 400. So we don't have 20s unlocked because our maximum number is 8. It's 8. So, I changed my mind. Let's just push. I want to get division. So 238 square root is going to be 15. So 15 times 16. Let's see, 15 times 16 is 240, which is not right. 15 times 15 is 225. That's actually pretty nice. Let's build a 6 belt. 5 times 3. And we're going to need 2 5 times 3s. And we're going to borrow this guy right here. We're going to borrow this guy. All right. And I'm sure we can find a 5 and a 3. Here's a 5 and a 3 right there. That's going to give us 15, and 15 times 15 is 225, and we're going for 238. So 238 minus 225 is 13, and 13 is 7 and 6. So we need a 7 and a 6. And I'm going to borrow one of these. Flip it. Now we got to go find a 7. Here's a 7 and a 6 right there. Alright. So now we just got to do the hard part, which is all the what's in the columns. The hard part is the I didn't like those little dweebs, so I did so I'm gonna do this. This will be more aesthetic for me, at least. So this is how we make 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. And this is how we fuel 6s. We go right 5 here, and let's give it some space here. 5 goes here. 5 goes here. That's 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we need our 3s. 1. Okay, that's fun. Alright, 2. I don't even know. This is ugly. 3. Yeah, really ugly. 4 and 5 and 6. All right, we got a 15s. All right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've got 15, which is going to give us really good pressure. Now, we do have to do 15 times 15. So we need a 15 down here, and there's a 13. Hey, look, I can borrow this whole thing, and we're just moving the 5. Recycle, reuse, replace. So close. Wow, 15, 15. So 15, 15. These guys need to multiply together, and we can multiply them like this. Something like that. Okay, and that'll be 15 this way, and 15 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we do it this way. I've never done doubles like this. 1, 2. Okay. And we'll just tile this like that. 1, 2, 3. So really this is 2 machines. There's an upside down machine and a right side up machine. So we've got 15s squaring, and then we need a 7 way down here. This is going to be 6, 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be I don't even know, like something like that. 1, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. Let's put it up. Let's put it down. 7 and 6. There we go. We got 13s. So ugly. Close enough. All right, we got 13s. Now these 13s need to come all the way over here, and we can actually repeat this whole thing in this direction, right? This looks good. Ooh. Down and over. Okay. So we got 13s being added to 225s. Just like that. Okay. And that'll bring all the way out of here our number. Okay. So that's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we got 6. Interesting. Interesting. We are dangerously close to going straight in. So let's do it. There we go. All right. If anything, this will be entertaining for me to watch myself in the future. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Look at that cluster. 6. Okay, let's get them in. Bam! Beautiful. Okay, so we got 6. We got 2 25s going in from the left, and we got to tile it all the way down because we do. And then we got 13s coming in from left field, really. 13s is at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then straight in. Yeah, the 4 rule seems to apply. That is the 3 rule. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Let's see how it's looking. We got. Oh no. It's only 1,000. I'm gonna burst before all 6 of them go. Well, that's the way to build it. Look at that gigantic machine. It's overkill. So beautiful. Where's all the pressure happening? Oh, look how full it is. It's gonna pop. Well, the good thing is we could probably recycle the whole thing. Here we go. Bam. 370. So, how would we do 370? That just unlocks subtraction. I rarely use subtraction. What I want are the big numbers. Let's go to 370. So 370, I would do. Well, the square root of it is 19, and 19 times 20 is 380. So we could subtract 10. 18 times 19 is 340. I think it's just 19 squared is 361, and that's a difference of 9, which is 3 times 3. And so we need 19 is kind of tough. 19 is a hard number. We could do, I guess we could do 18 times 18. 18 times 18. Could we do 15 times 15? Minus 370 is 145. We could add 145 to this mess. 145 is actually 29 times 5. Yowzers. Should we do that? I mean, we could. We could just. This is like always a possibility to add on to what you already have. Is that going the right way? All right, so let's do this. 29. Wow. Okay. 29 is 5 times 5. So, oof, that is messy. 5 times 5. Be nice to do one right over here. Guess we could do 5 here. Are we still doing 3906? I guess we could can it. We could delete it. we go. Okay. All right. So, yeah, that is nice and clear. Let's do some 5 times 5s. Here's a 5, and here's a 5. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got 25s over here. We need to add 4s to them. There's some 4s over here. There's a 4 way over here. Okay, that'll be 29. I think that's all we need. Let's do this. Okay. All right. And we'll just do a quick tile. All right, let's do some 4s. It's way over here. Okay. 1. Okay. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's a 4 way over there. Are they coming out? Here comes the first 4s. 29s are going the wrong way. Okay, now everything's going the right way. Like that. Okay. And these 4s are now the last thing. And I just follow the floor pattern. 1 there, 1 here, 1 here, and last one here. There's 4, and now we've got 29s. So these 29s need to go in to here. 1, 2. Wait a minute. I need to go in 1 more. 2 more. 1 more. Like this. Okay. And then these 2 38s. Why does that number sound familiar? Did we just do 2 38s? We did. And now we're using 238 plus 29 to make a 70. Okay. That makes some sense in some universe, right? All right, I think that works. There we go. And then we will have 28s. Like this. 1. Okay. So we'll just tile this little guile. Tile this little guile. And 1 output. 2 outputs. 3 outputs. 4 outputs. outputs, 5 outputs, and 6 outputs. There we go. Much closer. 270, here we go. 269. What? Oh, I was supposed to multiply that by 5. 29 times 5. So we're not done with our 29s. Okay. We're going to find a 5 and multiply it like this, which we can line up like this. Okay. And we should have a 5 over here. Do we have a 5? Anywhere? Bueller? Bueller. Okay. Now we're struggling. Just a little. A smidge. Okay, where's my 5? It's right here. Delete some of these old formulas. All right, we need a 5. Here's a 5, and we need it to come here, and then go If I copy this from here, I don't think that worked. All right, I'll just finish this like this. Okay, 5s are going up this little contraption. 1, 2. And if we copy it correctly, like that, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to get these 5s up into these pipes, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5. Aha! This one missed. Missed its mark. Okay, this 45 will go here. This 45 will go here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Okay, so we've got 45s being added to 145s being added to 383s. Is that even the right math? 225 plus 145. What was I thinking? All right. 238 minus 370 is 132. That's what I should have been doing. I think I need to go to bed. Um, that was terrible. All right. 384, 383.